I tell you the sister girl. You see the woman who come in a Jake's box and I tell her the story. Tell her I said me Rosealee said she go find place, put him. Me no want him around me. You saw me I leave me yard. He said me could take out the bed, him sleep at ground. Me carry me AC remote and me plug out the Wi-Fi. Me not like host enemy. Man for be man. Me they would me you know what I think about someone unscrupulous human being. A woman that they chat can you never look on her and say, you want hear more, you want hear more, what more you want to hear? How can Jake still long and even say want chat me with somebody and me and him there for 12 years and I give him 2 pitney? Eh? We have vent bout. We have vent bout. You so lie. When me all the time when me put Jakes in a one corner, I say want me can't talk because I'm lie. Talking to Jakes is like you're talking to an empty shell.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see on the screen. Yeah, look like Sarah Rose is letting people get into her head and controlling her life because I don't know how she want to kick out her baby daddy Jakes all of a sudden. He said, and all of this was her fault because she got live and said she want to do things to him and the pitney. Putting in the comment section where you think about that, because you know she there at the Airbnb right now under the AC and all of these good stuff with Figure It Out, Akeem, and that next girl there where her name Diamond. It's a and all 3 of those people are in on it to get the money, you know. It's only Rosealee more emotionally involved in this, and she have to know that Jake really loves her, you know what I mean, because they there with her before the money and the fame, you know what I mean. And when she get money and fame, no other boy no want her except for the ones that's using her. So that's why you see Sky Diamond is enabling Jakes, you know what I mean, wanting to get her money out of this too. And Rosealee not too like that, and she have some things to say about him, you see me. I think they go back to court October. You see me, as you know, the house is Rosealee Mama house. You know, some of us are giving an update on that. But let's hear what Rosealee have to say about this whole situation at hand, you see me.
Come here, Sky. Me I explain this to you because I know you watch. Me now come bring you down. You say all of the shades that you throw up on my pie, you come here, chat. Me now go bring you down. Me now go hold an argument with you either. That's that me now go do. But I want thing me I'll tell you now. Because me now I in a class, me now again saying, me just avoid you. Because I know so on leave for bring down, on leave for bring down, on pull bring down. That is all we can do. Sit down and put people in the back and just bring them down. Find story for just bring them down. That's what we do. You understand? Okay. No problem. Me not argue with you. One thing I have to tell you tonight, I'm going to tell you the sister girl. You see the woman who come in a Jake's box and I tell her the story. Tell her I said me Rosealee said she go find place, put him. Me no want him around me. You saw me I leave me yard. He said me could take out the bed, him sleep at ground. Me carry me AC remote and me plug out the Wi-Fi. Me not like host enemy. Man for be man. Me they would me you know what I think about someone unscrupulous human being. A woman that they chat can you never look on her and say, you want hear more, you want hear more, what more you want to hear? How can Jake still long and even say want chat me with somebody and me and him there for 12 years and I give him 2 pitney? Eh? We have vent bout. We have vent bout. You so lie. When me all the time when me put Jakes in a one corner, I say want me can't talk because I'm lie. Talking to Jakes is like you're talking to an empty shell. Because me know my baby father lie. Me know him lie like sure. I meet there with him for 12 years. Me know him inside, out and back. Right? You say you want to vent to the woman. What kind of vent you want to vent? You work somewhere? You have her in a box attack. Oh, make him come talk him story. Sky, what is Jake's story? It's me mind Jake's in a Sky. Sky, that man is me mind Jake's. Jake's not working nowhere. I want to come hustle him eat and the things them. Jake's not work. No way. He could have our 5th subject. Him not work. Any problem with Jake's getting a meme of run too. So what is Jake's truth? Me there saw hustle. Me there saw hustle upon the life. Right? What you are do? Me there upon the life also so you can eat, drink, and you pity them alright, and what you want to do? Don't cook. What you want to do? Run up and down. What you want to do? So me for the upon the life so wash, cook, clean, and all of them is something what you do. Whenever I ask her what is the truth, what is the truth? Me for the upon the live, yes, so wash, cook, do live, wash, cook and clean and all of the things them. And what him do as a man. Sit down and spend money and fuck. You don't plan for do nothing. We never ask her that. Eh? We never ask her that. You know can't say I show me there so and things are going for me and things are going for me. I start make him feel some type of way. You can't say that. But then with Jakes, I'm at 20, I know I'm at 32. Jakes have some ways him not change. Jakes have fuck ego issue. He said, me never up on the screen with Akeem, and me never go to Akeem, Jakes wouldn't have no problem. You understand what I say? And what you talk about? What you talk about him, but woman is lie, you don't know nothing, miss. You understand? The woman were in a skybox where you tell Sky the things them. Why you not tell blood clot people them say, you did that look Jakes to fuck you. That's what him tell me. Say you are looking for fuck. Yeah. From long time. You are looking for fuck. I'ma tell him to yam you out, but you don't want to send him $1. I must say, a man, you look for on the left work, you can't sit on the phone and talk to. I say, Papa. Rooks up. Remember good no word? You come and chat. What is the truth? You looking for fuck? Over you meet him. Long time. I mean unblock you, come to block you. Kelly and me unblock you, come to block you. You don't look Jakes for fuck you. You look one man, if you can sit up on phone and talk, not my man. But tell him for yam you out. You see the moment you can't say that you have to diss you coming around the joke. So I'm a good friend of man that did that look. Man, you're looking for fuck you. Remember good. And I mean, that's some story. But you can't say them on $50 or $100. We don't want to talk to them most. You see them as some credit. I met a Jake, so you see them talk to the town when she can't say $100. And I'm foreign, you live and she work. But the tour are. Tell them after the truth. And him sit up on phone and tell me, because you look man. Man, you look. Yeah. Because when a man can't find a woman, after somebody them I look at them, I look fuck from them. Me I tell him, find place put him. It's like when me are the worst. It's like when me are the worst person ever. Me not gonna argue. Me I tell Uno, me I tell Sky, for tell the woman, and there's a girl them in a Jake's best to them on TikTok, find place put him. Me alright. Man no stop on me, no tree no ground on my face, no donkey no but me, I'm not tough and hard for pressure. Fine place, but don't want him round me. Me not ask. I'ma tell him from me left your yard from Friday, you have to leave. Your house enemy, your back and belly blood clot rat. You are house enemy, your back and belly blood clot rat. You not use social media. Where you are which girl, you not use social media. So woman in a box and call in a back and say you know do social media, but social media page, where over here? Go look at work. But the truth is I want to work. Go look at blood clad work. That's the blood clad truth. Well your truth. Like your work. Eh? Look how I have your backlack. Eh? You see your enemy. You see your house enemy. You live in my house and I feed me enemy side of me. Jakes are the weapon that family, you have to leave. So Sky them, I'm not argue with the boo. I'm not argue with the babes, I'm not calm down. I'm not argue with the babes. When you tell your friends, you have to try to get him somewhere to live. And pay him rent and give him food. I have to leave from around me. Because I say, my money when I come, I say, come hustle. What him tell her, I say, oh, when I come by us, what a prank me I do? If you cry, if you prank, him can't have $1 more right. Blood clot serious. You can't $1 more. You can't eat $1 more. You can't eat $1 more. You can't eat $1 more. It's our next week, I'm going to dead for you because I look. You cannot eat $1 more. You can't eat dollar more. So my money we have to get, should have on TikTok, a prank, you can't eat dollar more, eh? Yeah. You see my money on TikTok, I also for my youth, them. Eh, who prank for ball? Eh? Little Jakes are one wicked blood clot. Who prank cry? Somebody can prank for cry? How can you prank tears? When in a movie, when you cry, it's build up feelings and emotion. To how you feel, you cry. Somebody can prank for cry? You could really prank for cry? Sometimes when I sit down and remember some flashback, take him back some things in our life, our life treat and the things them, it makes you feel some type of way. Who sit down and prank for cry? So the scar and them when I put my body when I say me and Jakes in a story and a peer cut is a prank that too. So this so they are so when them crab is a prank. My fingernail when them grab me up and broke off is a prank. And then my head in bite my Friday is a prank. Oh, she talk about him up woman and she know that me not have no proof. Me know him a fuck the girl. And I ask me, I tell her, me know Jakes. Jakes lie like sure. It's when I confront Jakes with certain things, a pure story. Jakes twist my brain, twist it, say me say and so. How women not say my try to tell me, so me say Jakes is a liar. That's why I don't like him. I'm going to tell him over, I say I can't like him, you know. You lie bad. So this is a prank. This is a prank. This is a prank. This is a prank. I prank this. This is a prank. This is a prank. You sick, miss. If you look Jakes, you go on with him. He said if you look Jakes, miss, you go on with him. If you're looking Jakes, you go on with him. If Jakes can sit long and confide in you and tell all type of story. That means he will video all my blood clot draws and show you the draw seat when it's dirty. Yeah. Him live side, him sleep side of me and chat me with you when I know from nowhere. So him have to leave. You and the rest of the girl, them have to put him up. I have to get rid of him. How am I going to make sure all him text on my phone, him text on my phone for me say me not answer. The amount of message and voice to read me not answer none. Me no want him around me. I want a peace of mind. It's when Father God make me get back my youth them back in my position because I know him gonna start out that Jakes can't around me. Him can't around me. Me no want around him. And him no want around me no want around him. And another man. Me no want around him. You do your term. Yeah. All Jakes feel like this. All Jakes are feeling like this. All Jakes are feeling Jakes to him term. Time for you go now. Because you not change nothing, you know. You not change a bit. Jakes to him term. Same time up. I mean I go sit down. Me have a lot of people who go to them say, listen now, get yourself together, you have kids. You have to do some things for your kids. Me nah go say me love him youth them. Me nah go say me care for him youth them. And me nah go say him no check for me youth them. But no come and say me and him, it cannot be a me and him. You can't look by your youth. You look by your youth and me look by my youth. It can't be a me and you. You trigger me. Jakes ever trigger me. If Jakes says something to me, just I don't want Jakes showing me. I worse my chat me. Sky Diamond worse my chat me with all the girl. I feel leave. You mad? Yes, I said you want him set him up. Sky Diamond, thank you. Sky Diamond, thank you. Sky Diamond, thank you. Message to Sky Diamond, thank you. Because if you never do it, you say you never do it Friday, I wouldn't realize, I couldn't pick out and acknowledge that Jakes is an enemy. Because if I'm willing to sit down and talk to somebody that you don't know from nowhere about me, him baby mother, who was there for 12 years, that means I cannot be trusted. I mean, I live in the same house. I'm a house enemy. Somebody will cook the food and throw pies night and give me name it. So Sidem, I'm not come call you, baby. Thank you for opening up my eye. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, this whole situation just scream toxic. Come here, say Akeem go at the yard to pick up Rosealee and Jake's nearly bust up in blood clot, you know. He see me, I say he should because, you know, his woman is out here, you know, embarrassing him and the family. You know what I mean? So this is a very toxic situation, my peeps. Anyway, we're not gonna longer this no longer, you know. Bless.